All right, so welcome back again. So today we will going to see radicals. Okay, I'll give you the quick definition and I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, so if if n is a natural number, is a natural number, n is a natural number, and nth root of a and nth root of b are two real numbers, then what will happen is n root of a nth root of b is equal to nth root of a and b. Okay, that's it. That's the rule. The beauty of this rule is that it works in the vice versa. Okay, so let's check the answers. Let's questions. So if you have square root of 5, square root of 7, which is I can write it as 5 times 7, which is square root of 5. Okay, as simple as it is. The product rule and down the road I will discuss about the quotient rule. They are very powerful while solving the very complex problems. They becomes very handy. And uh, if you land up with a awkward situation, like if I give you square root of 3, okay, times square root of 12. So you know that square root of 3, you already hit the wrong bottom. Okay, so you cannot go further down. Square root of 12, you can break it, but you don't want to do right away. So what do? You do 3 times 12. Okay, so square root of 36, and which is equal to 6. And you see that the final answer is free of the radical. That is what we want. Number 3. Okay. Square root of 2, square root of 5, and of course square root of 10. Then what I can do, I can do root of 11 times square root of p, which is square root of 11 times p, because without variable algebra is not complete. 5, which is square root of 7 times square root of 11 xyz, and the answer is 77 xyz. Okay, moving on. 3 cube root of 3 times 3 cube root of 12, and you can easily write it down. 3 cube root of 3 times 12, which is 3 cube root of 36. Okay, I'll give you some more examples. 2 cube root of, right now I will do cube root of 2 times fifth root of 3. Okay, here there is no solution. Why? Because if you see carefully, the product rule happily works provided index is same. Okay, and last time if I mentioned you correctly, you are in the radicals, you should be seeing one is the first things first. You have to see the index, and second thing you have to see where the negative sign is sitting. Okay, negative sign is sitting. Now, okay. Now here, if I give you number 8 is 6 root of m to the power 4 times 6th root of 5m and which equal to 6 to the power sixth root of n to the power 4 times 5n. Okay. Sixth root of 10 times 5 is 50, m fourth times m. And with the exponent rule that from the exponent rule is that e to the power m, e to the power n is e to the power m plus n. And of course, when we will do the exponent, I will discuss this rules as well in much details. So your final answer is sixth root of 50 m to the power 5. Okay. So this is product rule. One thing is very clear that to solve the product rule or to solve the radicals, you have to have a solid command over the exponents. And when we will go towards the deeper part, I'll give you a different examples and I'll prove my point. So okay, so we will stop here, and in the next video we will look for the quotient. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, we can stop, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.